Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play The River Flows in You by Yiruma. So this is part one out of two parts, and we're going to approach this using the sheet music. So I've listed in the description below the sheet music that I have used, so it's free to download, so go and check that out, and that's what we'll be working from today. So how I'll approach this is that I'll put each line of the sheet music on the screen above, and then I'll go through each hand separately, saying the notes out loud as I play them, and I'll play it for you slowly, hands together. In this video, we're just going to look at the first 20 bars, and then in part two, we'll look at the remaining 25 bars. There's 45 bars in total. So here is the first line, so the intro. So you're going to start with your little finger on A. So here is middle C. If you locate that pitch on your piano or keyboard, we're over an octave above middle C on this A. So the piece is in the key of A major. So every F, C and G is going to be a sharp instead. So the first line of the right hand, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D, A, C sharp, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D, A, C sharp. So that's the first line of the right hand, and the left hand is going to play F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E. So I'm going to put that hands together for you now. So the next line, the right hand's going to play A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, E, A, D, A. And then you're going to flick from B to C sharp, D, E and A, C sharp, G sharp and B. A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, C sharp, C sharp, D. And the left hand, playing F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, E, B, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E. So I'm going to put that line together for you now. I'm going to carry on to the next line. E, D, C sharp, B. And then we have this very quick A, C sharp, A, G sharp, A, G sharps, A, E, A, D, A. And then flick from the B to the C sharp again. Under to D, E, C sharp, B, E. And then you're going to play E and B again with a C sharp, That's very quick. And then A, G sharp. So I'll do that again. And the left hand, A, E, C sharp, E, B, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, A, E, B, E. So I'll put that together for you now. And then the right hand of the next line, E and A, and down to A, B, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, D, E, E, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp. So I'll do that again. And the left hand is more or less playing the same thing it's been doing so far. So F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, A, E, C sharp, B, E, B, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D. So I'll put that together now. And then carrying on the next line in the right hand, you're going to go under to A, B, C sharp, D, E, sorry if that's slightly off the camera, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, B, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, B, A, G, B, and then A, B, A, G sharp. So I'll just play that again. The left hand, we've got A, E, C sharp, A, E, B, E, B, E, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, A, E, B, E, oops, E. So I'm going to put that bit of hands together now. And then the next line, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, B, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp, A, E, A, B, A, G sharp. So I'll just play that again. On the left hand, you're going to go down to an F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, A, and then down to E. Again, sorry if that's slightly off the camera. E, B, G sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D. So I'm going to put that together for you now. And then we're just going to do one more bar and that will conclude the end of part 1. So we've got A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, B, G sharp, E. And we'll leave it there with the right hand. So the left hand is going to play A, E, C sharp, A, E, B, G sharp. I thought this would be a logical place to stop part 1. So I'm going to put that together now. And then the next 2 notes will be part of the next bit, which we'll go over in part 2. So I hope that's been useful. Please give this video a big thumbs up if it has. Go check out part 2, either on the screen now or in the description below. If you have any piano tutorial requests, please go see the comment section where you can go and submit your request. All requests are noted and considered. So I hope that you stick around and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.